Yeah, it's on. I fucked my saran wrap.
Oh, my fingers are stuck down.
Oop, that's the ceiling. No privilege. It's like, hey, there's a corner of your face right there. Wait, maybe I should just.
I should have put my hair up before we did this.
Oopsie. Oh, I got your boobs. Oh, there they are.
Alright, get some one of them. My hands are all sweaty. So good.
I don't know where my hand is.
I'm going for the poop.
You ruined it. Wait.
You're just falling apart. How did I do mine better? I didn't even have hands.
You did mine. Oh, wait, turkey.
I'm going for your Snoopy. Wait. Let's do like a matrix.
Wait, let's put turkey.
You're gonna go down, like punching the leg, and I'm gonna jump over you, okay? Okay, come on!
Okay.
I'm ready for this.
Okay.
You going?
Yeah.
I wanna go underneath you, okay? Ready? You ready?
Oh, can you show?
Hey, you're supposed to duck.
Wait, ready? Slow motion. Wait, put turkey on.
What?
Okay. I'm gonna turkey.
Okay.
Look what I got.
Use a bubble wrap. Because that'd be so quiet.
Maybe we should explain why we're using saran wrap.
Well, my brother's sleeping and we felt like playing patty cake. So we had to wrap our hands in saran wrap.
Napkins for colorfulness.
It didn't work out. We should have made teams. I could have put you on blue. Because we have blue napkins too. My hands are so sweaty. I can't take this off.
I could.
Yours are really broken.
Yep. Just 5 minutes to get the camera up. I don't even know if